Count the hats. One. Oh, put one. One. How many shoes? Count the shoes. Shoes. Where are the shoes? One. One. Two. Oh, put two. Put two. Put two. Very good. Oh, flowers. Count the flowers. One, two, three. Put three. Alex, hold it properly.
Flowers.
Put the put the pencil properly in your hand. Three.
Three.
How, what is this? Ribbon. Count the ribbon. One, two, three, four.
40.
6 plus 9, Axel. Count the triangles. Where are the triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 plus 9, Axel. 5. Count the balls. Balls. Where are the balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. No, it's not 13. Count the hearts. Where are the hearts? Hearts. Hearts. Axel, do it, Axel. Where are the hearts? Hearts, Alex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Count the oval. Oval like this. Where are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Count the diamonds. Diamonds. Where are the diamonds? Where? Where are the diamonds? There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Count the stars. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Put 10. 10. Very good.